Meaning of halfway.
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 Halfway. Halfway refers to being at a midpoint or the middle point of a process, journey, or distance. It can also refer to doing something partially or incompletely. For instance, if we say, I am halfway done with my assignment, it means that we have completed half of the work required. Similarly, if we say I met him halfway, it means we agreed to a compromise or gave in somewhat to reach a mutual agreement. In conclusion, halfway signifies being in the middle of something or doing something partially, but not completely.